Why are Android users so persistent like that?
This is a motherfucking lie. Android users mind our own motherfucking business. We do not give a fuck. Because while you charging your charger to charge your charger's charger, to charge your earphones, to charge your phone so you can hear the bullshit that is coming out your fucking mouth, I'm on my phone minding my business, bitch. We don't give a fuck about iPhone, O-phone, or U-phone. Because while I'm on my phone, you on your phone with a cracked fucking screen. Can you see me, bitch? Can you see me? So with that being said, you and your Apple iPhone and all the equipment